everybody. This is Diane with Crafting with Fury. Hope each and every one of you are safe and healthy no matter where you are. Well, guys, I am here with a design team package for In Love Art Shop, and I will leave the link to their store down below and all of these awesome dies that they have sent me that I'm going to have the bestest time with. And I would like to start and apologize to them. My package has been here and it got mixed up with a bunch of other mail that was on the table, and I started cleaning it off, and then here it was. So please forgive me. I am so sorry, but I'm excited to show you what I have. This die, I can't let Halloween go, and I am going to do a couple of little things. And this die is called the Path to Haunted House. I want you to look how awesome this die is, because at my house Halloween is all year long. And look at this big old die. Isn't this beautiful? And this die is right at 4 1/4 inches wide and 5 1/2 long. So that would be perfect for your cards. Isn't that awesome? So that is the Path to Haunted House. And of course we had to have another Halloween die, and this is the Spooky Word die. Super stinking cute. Come on. And look at this. Here it is. It says spooky, and it is 4 1/4, well, almost 4 3/8 long, and a little over 2 3/8 wide. And it says spooky, and then there's like a cute little witch's hat. There's a broom here, and there's a bat up here, and a spider down here. So how stinking cute is this? So we're gonna have fun with that. And of course we've got to get into the winter theme here. And this one is super cute. This is the snowman family. You get a mama and a daddy and a baby snowman, and you've got their little scarves and their hats, little hats here. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You get 9 dies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 dies. And that's a lot of dies. And this one is right at 3 7/8 tall, and right at 1 3/4 inches wide. That's the daddy. And look at the cute little baby. This little feller is going to be almost 1 1/8 wide and almost 1 3/8 tall. So look at that cute die. That's going to be so fun to play with. So that one's the snowman family. And this adorable die set is the Christmas stockings. And I want you to look how stinking cute this is. It's got 3 adorable stockings, and it's actually got even little names here. Jennifer, Trey, Gigi, Papa. I can't read what that one is. But look how cute that is. And you don't have to use the names. You can just use the stockings. And this stocking's got cats, snowflakes, and stars. Super cute. So that one is the Christmas stocking die set. And I think this one is going to be super fun to play with. And guys, you don't even have to use it for Christmas. You can use these pine trees for any occasion or any outdoor cards you may want to create. But this is the pine tree covered with snow, and you've got this gorgeous pine tree, and then this one here, and you can put like white cardstock behind it, and then here is like some snow that you can actually use to put on the branches. And you can make a Christmas tree out of this one, and you get 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 pieces with this die set. And look at this. This Christmas, or the pine tree, is right at 3 5/8 tall, and it's going to be right at 2 1/4 inches wide. So look how cute this one will be fun to play with. And this is a Christmas fireplace. And doesn't have to just be for Christmas. You can use it for anything. So you're going to have your fireplace, and there's the great crate in the mid or around it. There's your flame, and there's a stocking and a stocking. How cute is this? So this is going to be super, super fun to play with. And the fireplace is going to be 3 inches wide by 3 3/8 tall. That would be perfect for a tag. I think that one will be super cute. And this is a Let It Snow die. And look how cute that is. It's got snowflakes here, and it says Let It Snow. And it is one piece, it looks like. So that's awesome. And all in all, it's going to be 3 1/2 inches tall, and right at almost 3 1/2 inches wide. So that would be cute for a little 4x4 card. Getting all kinds of ideas. And this gorgeous die is the Joy die. And it comes with this beautiful word, and it says joy. And then it's got holly berries and all these beautiful branches. Isn't that beautiful? Look how pretty that is. So you're looking at right at a 4 1/4 inches wide. And tall wise, you're probably looking at right over 3 3/8. So that's a beautiful die. So that is the Joy word die. And this little snowman is the cutest. So this says snowman in new clothes die. And remember, I have all of the links down below. Look how cute this little guy is. You can put all different colors on his buttons, on his scarf, on his hat. Isn't he adorable? Look how cute. Stinking cute. So let's get the width and everything of him. Looks like he's going to be right at 4 inches tall. Yes. And wide, I'm betting, let's see. It's kind of hard to, wide. Probably, let's see, almost 3 inches, like from the tip of his hat all the way to his little hand there. So look how cute that die is. So guys, I'm going to have the bestest time with these. So once again, I've left all of the links down below. Please go check them out. And I do have a coupon that you could save some money if you would like to order from their store. So thank you so very much for stopping by. I truly, truly appreciate it. May God bless each and every one of you, and Merry Christmas. And I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.